बड़ी मुश्किलें निकली।
बाबा बाबा
जी
ये आपकी वजह है, पता आपको? ये आपकी वजह है बाबा।
Oh my god.
Wow, snow! I am a snowman.
This is no Aman. Aman.
अभी गाड़ी नहीं जानी।
Uh-oh.
गाड़ी साइड में कर रहा हूँ। भाई साइड में कर रहा हूँ, साइड में।
घुमान ना हमदे। अच्छा तेरी आंधे पे की होगी?
गाड़ी भी नहीं निकल रही, हम भी नहीं जा रहे, ये क्या है?
फुल जो है करें। जो है ना
Hey guys, it's a winter.
Wonderland out there, yeah?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. We need more snow.
We're having the best time enjoying the snowfall with our little budgie, Alif.
Yay, Mama! I want more snow.
Hey.
I think हम बच गए।
Alif? Yeah, you're right. हम बच गए हैं.
Stuck in the snow.
Our car is stuck in the snow and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. The roads are super slippery and we don't want to risk getting stuck further or causing any trouble. So we've decided to ditch the car for now and hoof it back home. Alif's super excited to walk in snow, even though he's complaining about the cold feet and keeps saying, Baba snow. We're going trick through the snow, maybe even make some snow angels and get some epic winter pics on the way.
Look there, dog.
Fingers crossed, our phones don't freeze.
I want to eat snow. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, snow. Snow day holiday. Mama, Papa. I like snow. Snow.
Stay warm and stay snowy. Bye bye.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Baba. Can we play in snow?